अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं मुर्ग छोले और उसके लिए मैंने लिया है हाफ़ kg छोले और उसको मैंने क्लीन करके उसको वॉश करके इसको मैंने कुकर में डाल दिया, प्रेशर कुकर में। और इतना पानी मैंने ले लिया है, देखें इतना पानी। फॉर दिस आई हैव टेकन हाफ़ kg chickpea. Now weight is moving. This is weight is moving. Now I have turned on my timer for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn off this and remove the cap. After tenderizing in the pressure cooker, I drained the excess water and you can see it's tender and soft, but hot, obviously hot. Okay, 1 kg boneless chicken you can take, or you can take any pieces of chicken. 1 kg, but almost 1 kg. Okay, I have taken 4 onions and sliced and taken almost 3 tomatoes peeled off, cut into this cube shape. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, and salt soup to taste, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, and green chili 3 sliced. For garnishing, I've taken this. I have put some oil into this pot. Then I add this sliced onion. Now it's getting brown. I'm adding this is spice into it. Like you see some of white to go inside this oil, so I am doing the favor. It's funny, I'm doing the favor and force them into the pot. Please let me speak my language and I will add subtitle if you like this comment. It's very funny. Okay, slow down the flame. I'm slowing the flame. And cover it, and I'm covering for almost 5 minutes. तो प्याज के ब्राउन होने के बाद मैंने इसमें सारे मसाले डाल दिए हैं जो मैंने दिखाए थे, और लहसुन अदरक का पेस्ट समेत मैंने सारा डाल दिया, टमाटर भी ऐड कर दिए हैं, और इसको 5 मिनट के लिए ढक देना है। मैंने 5 मिनट के लिए ढक देना है। 5 मिनट तक हल्की आंच पे ये हल्की। नाउ आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स, tomatoes going soft. Now we are crushing or mashing, whatever you saying, this process, and fry it well. Add the chicken and fry. I have to add some water, so chicken will be tenderized. On high flame, it will be cooked and tender. It will be cooked and tenderized. Then I will have to add this chickpea, boiled chickpea. Now I have to add boiled chickpea without salt, which but in pressure cooker I tenderized it. Now I am adding it into the chicken. I want to mix all spices together into the chickpea, into the chicken, lowering the flame and wait until it will be fried. Now it is well fried, I can say. Murgh cholay तैयार है. Murgh cholay is ready. Cholay is chickpea in English, and murgh we usually say murghi or murgh. In English it's chicken. Okay, and my garnishing over there, it's such a mess, but it is ready to serve. We usually serve it with chapatis. Anila Sultan, this is my channel YouTube. Please help me to subscribe more people, to share it with more people. For that's how you help me to increase my subscribers in YouTube. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.